Are you as excited as I am to get started on this water challenge? I could tell. So we have a nice amount of people signed up, and that's good. So the first thing we're going to want to do is to set ourselves up for success. Is make sure you have water everywhere. Plan ahead, pre-planning. Have water everywhere. Put a glass or a bottle of water on your nightstand by your bed, outside of the bathroom, in your lunchbox, next to the kitchen door, on the countertop. Have water everywhere to set yourself up for success. I even have a glass bottle in my car, not plastic. That's another story. Beauties, I even keep a bottle of water in my bag. See how much water I no beauties, we're not waiting for the first of the week, the first of the month, the first of the year, or the first chance I get. We're starting now. We're getting started now, beauties. Join me. Wednesday, October 6th, we are making it happen. Let's go. Free Drink More Water Challenge. I know most people during this doing this Drink More Water Challenge, I know they're thinking to themselves, man, I really need to do this challenge because I don't like to drink water. So what we're gonna do, beauty, cinnamon sticks in your water. I want you to get this water however in your water. The only thing I'm gonna ask you not to do is put sugar in your water. We're not putting sugar in it. Orange slices, cucumber slices, strawberry, blueberries, grape slices in your water to drink it. Do so. We're gonna make this as simple and easy as we absolutely positively can. We're gonna get through this. I am so excited about our Drink More Water challenge, guys. Y'all ready? Get your bottles ready. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We making it happen.